Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are not going to be posting any recipes. It's gonna be a birthday dinner like the ones we've done, the previous two that we've done for my brother and my mother's birthday, because their birthdays are 2 days apart, and then my dad's birthday, and now it's my birthday. And yes, as the numbers say behind me, I turned 17. Well, I turned 17. I think this is probably a couple weeks late. So it turned 17 on the 14th of November, but it was a Sunday and I had school, and then that week was very hectic for every one of us. So we really didn't get the time. And today we finally got the time to actually make a birthday dinner, as I think I've decided to make it a tradition starting this year. And not gonna lie, it was very stressful because for the previous two, those two didn't have to like think anything through. We just had to like my mom and I, because we're a team, so we've decided to like basically do everything. So we did the planning and all of that. They just decided on the theme, and then we did the planning, the wedding, the the planning, the cooking, everything was done by ourselves. I'm so tired. It is very late right now. I cannot think through, but like we've done everything ourselves. They just had to sit and enjoy. Whereas for my birthday, it was very stressful having to decide the theme, having to decide the menu, having to actually like decide the ingredients, the shopping, the cooking. It was very stressful, and I don't think everyone should be this stressed for their birthday. Like, you're supposed to relax. This was very stressful, but I think I'm happy with everything because I look at the table right now, it's right next to me, and it looks very amazing. So I think it's worth it. I'll taste it and I'll decide everything. I'm way too tired, but I'll show you guys what I made for this Italian dinner. So here we have the soup. I'm not sure how Italian it is, but it is made with vegetables and pasta, or fideuà, but I think it's a type of pasta. It is close to the minestrone soup that I think the Italians make. And for my research, there is no right or wrong minestrone, so I think that this could pass off as one. I don't know how accurate, I could be wrong. Bruschetta. Bruschetta, the Italians call it a bruschetta, from what I heard. So this is a bruschetta, and it is so good. The infamous Italian focaccia with sun-dried tomatoes, fresh rosemary, and black olives. Risotto. This is mushroom risotto, and it is red because the rice we used was actually black, from the theme of black and white. And then of course we have squid ink seafood pasta. This was so good. And then finally, to just finish it all off, panna cotta with a berry. It does look so good, and I'm very happy with overall results. So I was gonna add a cheese board to it, and then I was also gonna add this eggplant dish. I don't know, I think you can pass it as a side dish and an appetizer. I don't really think it's a main course, but it's an eggplant dish. But I think I could do it for later, for a future video. Why not? But yeah, it looks very very neat and tidy, and I think the black and white really brings it all together. So I'm happy with the overall result. I feel kind of proud and accomplished for all of this. So to be honest, I can't wait to eat everything. I'm so hungry. Despite the fact that it took all day and it is I'm very tired, and this just took forever, not gonna lie. I kind of like looking at it, it feels worth it, you know? Like looking at it feels really
Close
worth
your
it.
eyes.
Yeah.
Open your eyes. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Also, this is a family gift.
Thank you. So obviously this was very much a surprise. I mean, I can't stage tears.
Yeah, this is a surprise for your birthday.
I genuinely did not expect it because I thought that like if I were to receive a gift, it would be on my birthday, not 2 weeks later with the dinner. So yeah, but these are so beautiful. Like, because if anyone knows me, they know that like one of my favorite brands of jewelry is Swarovski. So it really is amazing, you know, like I love Swarovski so much, and to just get this, the fact that I didn't ask for it, it really feels amazing. So this is the pair of earrings that I got from my family. I think they're supposed to resemble the blue eye, which is meant to protect you from the evil eye. So it's very thoughtful. I do have another pair of Swarovski earrings, and they are the swans, the original swans. And these really mean so much to me because I do like the brand. Like I say, it's great quality. I have another pair of Swarovski earrings, and they are the swan, this logo itself, and I wear those a lot. Like every time I go out, I wear them. I don't wear my other earrings, despite the fact that I have hundreds of pairs. But those are my absolute favorites, and I got those for my graduation, which in itself was a whole other emotional thing. I cried too, but this was amazing. I just have the words to describe how I feel right now. It really feels so... Yeah, I don't have the words. Like, this means a lot to me.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. I love you. So my brother has something to say. I don't know what he wants to say, but he's just been telling me, I want to speak, I want to speak, I want to speak. So, yeah.
Okay, so if you guys like Sophia's videos, then make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys hate Sophia's videos, then why? Like, she's done nothing wrong in her videos. Like, her cooking is real good.
Thank you. Welcome. So this brings us to the end of today's video. It's very short, but yeah, happy birthday to me. 2 weeks late, but it's fine. It's still my birthday. I just turned 17 fresh. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and just thank you guys so much, and please do follow me on my social media if you want to support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. And if you don't like the videos, then drop a dislike so I can know whether you like it or not. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Also, spoiler alert, my sister and her mom, this took almost about 2 hours to do.
It took the whole day?
Took the whole
It's not
day.
just 2 hours?
We stayed up till 1 a.m. to do this video. But bye.
Bye.